Guys, I've been using this new AI tool that saves me 20 hours every single week. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use it to either create content, categorize your thoughts, or digest information extremely easy. This is one of the simplest but most practical AI tools I've found, and I'm really excited to show you in this video. All right, so the software I'm gonna be talking about in this video is called GitPoppy, and this is what it looks like when you're inside and working with the platform. So this might look a little bit confusing, but believe me, this is so simple to use, and this is why I actually love this platform. And it helps me create content so much. Like I can't even explain how much this helps me with content. So first of all, what I want to mention is you could basically just drag and drop anything. You could drag a YouTube video. As you could see, I added different frameworks for creating very good YouTube content. You could also add Instagram videos or YouTube shorts or TikToks, any of this stuff. You can see I added a couple examples of good short form content. And what all of this is doing is this is essentially a content machine that allows me to chat with AI. You could see Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It allows me to basically create YouTube shorts based on this information. So this right here is how to create engaging YouTube shorts. Like Kane Calloway is a master at addicting storytelling. So I love his videos and I try to recreate videos based on his concepts that he talks about, as well as I actually added a couple of his videos along with creator I look up to in the space called RP Nixon. And basically what I'm doing is I'm using this as context in order for me to create content similar to this. And what I could do is in the topic content folder here is I could go ahead and whenever a new tool drops, like I did this for a previous video. All right, so let's say a new topic drops, like deep research. You could see I actually coincidentally, this popped up. This was actually created with GitPoppy, but right when a new topic in the space releases and I want to cover it on my YouTube channel, how can I make the quickest video possible? So what I do is I'll add some different resources. Like I'll literally just copy and paste this video about deep research. I'll add it here. For example, I'll pull this video from OpenAI actually introducing deep research so I could have as much context as possible on this new feature. And what I could do is I'll literally just paste it in here along with this other video. We could add as many as we want here. And then what I'll do is I'll come over and simply chat with our AI assistant here and just basically ask, create a YouTube short on the deep research tool ChatGPT just released. And then what it'll do is it'll now use Claude 3.5 Sonnet and take that information that we fed inside of GitPoppy and give me a script. So based on the knowledge base, here's a compelling short script. ChatGPT just launched something insane. It's called deep research, and it's like having a personal analyst working for you 24/7. Here's what makes it different. So it's actually using the frameworks in order to create a engaging script that Calloway actually discusses in these videos here. So this is an amazing way to make really engaging content, not just for social media, like creating scripts for videos, but for writing really engaging copy. Let's say, let me go ahead and just create a new board here. All you need to do is click create new board. Let's call this LinkedIn copy machine. And so what this is going to do is this is going to actually help us replicate certain posts we find on LinkedIn that we see performed well, and then recreate the style and kind of the language in which it speaks in order, to replicate how that post performed. So what we could do is we could actually come and just select a website. So what I'll do is I could add this here. I'm going to add a URL. So let me come to LinkedIn and find a post that actually performed well. So I might as well just use one of my previous videos. So this video actually did well and was actually created with GitPoppy. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy the link to this post. All I'm going to do is just insert this URL here. And what it will do is it will pull that information from my LinkedIn post. I'm then going to come and take this deep research video that we already copy and pasted. I'm going to paste it here. And then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these to an AI chat, which I could add as much context as I would like here. But for now, this will be good just to showcase this in this video. And then what I'll say is create a LinkedIn post similar to the one I added as a resource and create it about the new deep research tool by ChatGPT. Use the video I included to get info on the product in order to create the best script possible, or I guess the best copy possible for a LinkedIn post. Okay, there we go. So now we'll actually recreate a LinkedIn post similar to this, but about this topic here. So here we go. A groundbreaking announcement from OpenAI introduces deep research, their most powerful research tool yet. Takes up to 30 minutes, blah, blah, blah. So here we go. We could just go ahead, copy and paste this into LinkedIn. One thing I want to mention is this tool is not just great for people that want to create content, but this tool is also good for people that want to come up with ideas. So if you have a bunch of different videos or like even just like text articles or documents or something, and you want to upload these into Poppy, this could really help you think through different things, whether you're researching a topic or just trying to learn something. This platform makes it really easy. It's almost like having Miro, but you could add AI interaction to it, as well as like add different context from different like formats, from video to PDFs to websites. This platform is amazing, guys. I've really enjoyed using this. I'm going to continue using this for content. So if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment. You can sign up for Poppy. There's a link in the description, but appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.